So let's see how to use the modules we've implemented in this second part. First, we need to be sure we delete our testdb. I use testdb as a log file. So, and let's start the interactive shell. So first, let's start the index. I now use empty. In the first part, we were using an empty list. Now I move to empty. Okay, and then let's start the writer. So start, and we pass the testdb, which is the path. Okay, so now we want to write, so to put some values, some keys and values. Okay, so the first is the Litecoin, and the second. So I'm trying to stay coherent with the examples of the part 1 and part 2 of the articles, and so you should see the same prices and keys. And you see that, so 62 is the offset where we find the value, this value, and this is the size of this value. And you see that is much higher than in the previous part, because in the previous part we were saving just the values, and in this case we were saving the timestamp, the sizes, the key, and the values. So now we close the shell, and well, first let's see with hexdump the content of so how to inspect testdb with the log file with this program. So this prints the hex value, the of each single byte. Here is pretty easy to see LTC and the price, Ethereum and the price, Bitcoin and the price. And here, so the first 8 bytes are the timestamp, and this is the size of the first key, which is LTC, which is correct, 3 bytes, and these are the 4 bytes of the unsigned 64-bit integer, and it's 5 because is the first price is this is the 5 here, and is 1 2 3 4 5 is the length of the value. So 3, this is the key, and this is the value 1 2 3 4 5, and then again the timestamps are 8 byte 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then the key and the value, the sizes of the keys and the key and the value. And you have seen in the article how easy actually is to jump and extract these bytes and convert them to integers of the and to using pattern matching, how easy it is to extract the key and the value. We don't need to extract the value because we just need to rebuild the index, but we could really easily extract the value as we did for the key. So let's try now to rebuild the index, to reload the index from this file. And what we did is to implement, instead of this start link empty, we pass the the file we want to read. So start link. So it returned okay, so the init has returned successfully. To try this, so first what we can do is to use this get state LogKV index. So this returns the state inside the index, and we can see that it was loaded perfectly. So yeah, it works. And to show it works without doing anything else, actually we just start a reader. We can start a reader and test db, and we say to reader get Ethereum, and yeah, it works. So you see that now we're able to recover the index, and in the next part we're going to implement supervision, because obviously we need to supervise these processes and to reload the index automatically if it crashes.